Hi, my name is Carter McCullough, here with Volk Optical, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to image with the Pictor Prestige, our portable, non-mydriatic fundus camera. In this video you're going to learn how to properly hold the device, how to position yourself in front of your patient, and then how to capture the photo. So to start, I'm going to show you how to hold the device. So you're going to want to hold the camera in your dominant hand with your index finger placed on the capture button. With your non-dominant hand, you're going to place your thumb on the underside of the device, either in the groove located here or closer towards the eye cup. With your index finger, you're going to place it on top, and then you're going to use these 3 fingers to brace onto the patient's forehead. Now that you know how to hold the device, I'm going to bring a patient, and we're going to go into how to position yourself in front of the patient and take the photo. So now that you know how to hold the device, I'm going to show you how to position yourself in front of the patient for a retinal photo. So you want to hold it like so, and you're going to be sitting kind of side by side next to the patient, and you want to be at approximately eye level with them as well, so that it's comfortable for when you go in to capture the photo, you're not overextending your arms. So what I'm going to instruct the patient is that I'm going to be imaging their right eye, so please keep your other eye open and cover it with one hand. Now when I go to approach the eye, I'm going to tell them to fixate on the red fixation target inside the camera, and I'll have them stay fixated on that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a couple inches away from the eye, getting the eye in the entire field of view of the image, preview image. And you'll notice in the pupil, there's a light gray blob, and that's the retina. So that's what I want to move the camera towards. Notice that as I'm aligning the camera, I'm keeping the optics parallel with the ground. And as I'm pushing in, I'm not rotating the camera to align it to the patient's eye. I'm using 2 hands to make any sort of adjustment. So as I go into the eye, you're slowly going to start to, if you go into that gray blob, you're going to start to see the retina as you see here on the screen. Now note that if I go into the eye and I'm not seeing any part of the retina and the patient is not seeing the red fixation target, you may be out of alignment, and in this case you're just going to need to back up, reposition to the eye, and then go back in to realign yourself. So again, as I push in, I'm slowly moving towards the patient. Now that I see the part of the retina in a black and white image, I'm going to hit the capture button, and there will be a flash for the patient. Ready, 1, 2, 3. You'll hear a beep sound, and there will also be I'm capturing it with this capture button here. And then as you can see, we have a nice, beautiful retina image, as you see on the screen. To save this photo, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the middle button on the navigation wheel, and I'm going to save it as a right eye image because I was imaging the patient's right eye. So now you know how to properly hold the Pictor Prestige, position yourself in front of the patient, and capture a retinal photo with the camera. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out and contact us either by emailing support@volk.com or by calling us at 440-942-6161. Thank you so much for watching.